Here's why I think that the cards are stacked against Texas police officers when it comes to removing negative entries made on their licensing history. So I'm Tran. I'm a Texas employment lawyer. I represent police officers. In Texas, whenever a police officer leaves an agency, one of the things that's first and foremost on his or her mind is the F5 report that the head of the agency will send to the licensing organization called TCOLE. This report is called an F5, and it ranks a police officer as an honorable discharge, a general discharge, or dishonorable discharge. That's the current system that we have in place. It's going to be updated later on this year. But for now, that's the system we have. And so when a police officer receives a negative F5, like a general or dishonorable discharge, he or she is entitled to appeal it. And then they will get appointed a judge. And as part of the Special Office of Administrative Hearing, they get an administrative law judge to have a hearing on it. But one thing that police officers that do this on their own and may encounter that they don't know how to handle is that the agency, their lawyer, may file a motion for summary disposition. And what this means is that it is a ruling that says, it's a motion that says, hey, we don't need a hearing. We should get a ruling in our favor because this person was terminated, retired, or resigned under bad circumstances. And they will just attach all the some affidavits, some negative reports, anything they can do at that point. And they're asking the administrative law judges to just basically rule in their favor. What I don't like about this situation is that it currently allows the lawyer for the police agency to file this special motion to dismiss a police officer's appeal of their F5 report so they don't even have a day in court. And I know why lawyers do it. They do it because they want to win for the police agency. They don't want to have to call witnesses to the hearing. And if they can avoid a trial, more power to them. And so I understand why this tool exists and why it's being used. But it's unfair because a lot of police officers don't have lawyers when they're appealing their F5 report, and they don't know how to deal with it. And most likely they haven't done any discovery, so they don't even have the evidence to survive the motion for summary disposition. And currently, the Texas legislature has ordered TCOLE to change the rules for the appeal of the F5, the process. And hopefully, they will remove this particular rule so that police officers will get a chance to go to trial instead of having to deal with a motion for summary disposition, which will kill their appeal before they even get to go to court.